Good day, Sir Lumayag. I'm here to present with you my output. First is doctype HTML. Tapos next is the comment. Ang suod sa akong comment is name, which is May Princess Misa. Sa section is BSIT8. Tapos file name, activity.html. And the date is February 21, 2024. Next is ang suod sa head is title, which is title sa akong business is Fluffy Paws Groom, tapos homepage, tapos next is body. So sa body is nadiri ang header. Sa H1 is nadiri akong title sa akong business, which is Fluffy Paws Groom, tapos diri sa H2 is a quote which states that Fluffy Paws were every paws treated like a royalty. Tapos ang so diri sa akong navigation is home, services, location, fax, and contact. Tapos the entity number and non-breaking space. Tapos ang sod sa akong main is purpose to catch for parents' attention to visit my business or store. Ang naka-state diri is, good day for parents, welcome to Fluffy Paws Groom. The address of Fluffy Paws Groom is Cebu City. Our goal is to offer fantastic pet care at incredibly affordable prices. Dogs need to receive the best care because they are the foundation of every fur family. When pet parents drop off their animals at our grooming salon, we make sure that they are in good hands because we keep a clean, safe atmosphere. We believe that groomers should concentrate on excellent grooming. We ourselves are hands-on dog grooming that surrounding area with our highly suspicious facility, high-quality treatment with our experienced caretakers. Come over. For parents, we've got your set. We will few for parents. Tapos, ang sudri sa footer, sir, is ampersand, copy sa my colon, copyright 2024 that all right reserved. Tapos, diri is wag mo na siya ang fluffypaws_groom.com siyang suod sa footer. Tapos body, tapos HTML. Tapos na-run namin ako, sir. Save as, tapos magta nila dali. So, money siya, sir, ang outcome. Ang suod diri sa header is the title and the code of my business, and sa navigation is home, services, location, fax, contact. Tapos ang so diri sa akong main is the purpose of my business, and diri sa footer is the copyright and contact the top people. Thank you, sir.